So I'm going to start building the car for Thrillshow. Now, if you guys don't know, Thrillshow is a company here in Ontario, and they actually have quite a bit of shows. And of course I'm going to build a Camry. I'm just going to try to pick out which Camry I should take to their shows. So this one right here, 4-cylinder, I'd build this one, but it's still got most of the interior in it. So this one here, oh, the doors are locked. That's not a good sign. Anyway, this one here's got most of the interior in it, and it's got a huge anti-theft system. So I don't really want to mess with this one right now. That one's V6, and don't really remember if that runs or not. This one here's V6, and it doesn't run very well. So neither ones of these will be on the chopping block. I want something easy I can start up and drive into the shop today. This one right here needs an alternator, old body. It's stripped, but this one here I might build. It's a little rusty, but not overly too bad. So this one here gets maybe a B+ on the to-go-on chopping block. It's already stripped on the inside, so that saves a little bit of time. V6 Accord, I'm pretty sure that's going to go up to Mom's Mom's Rallycross, and just go basically the way she is. This one here is suffering from a no start, no go, so I don't really want to mess with this one. This car here, I was told, doesn't run, so it's off the chopping block for now. This white Solera, I actually forgot about this one. She's stripped, I know that, all on the inside she's stripped, except for the trunk. She runs, I remember that. What was wrong with this one? Oh, the key. The key has a hard time jiggling. Some Tide Pods. Better keep those out of the reach of me. I'm just joking. We still got carpet over there on the driver's side and a full trunk full of junk. So maybe this one. I actually forgot about this white one. We have Project Heart Attack put away into the back and burners until the derby where it's going to next. We have this one. I believe this one does run. Yes, this one does. This one here is a fully interiored car. But no, I don't want to do this one because it has way too much work to get out of the interior. This white one runs, but it does not rev above 1500 RPM, so I do not really want to do that one, plus it's full interior. This one does run. It's stripped. Marginally. It's pretty stripped. Trunk. Cut the door handle out because I sold it. How do I open this now? There we go. Yeah, it's pretty stripped. Pretty clean. Yeah, pretty clean. Maybe this is the next one I'll build. A little bit easier to access. I don't have to move the minivan. Don't have to worry about an alternator. What else do we got? This one here is no start. I think it needs a timing belt. This one does run, but it dies as soon as you start it for the first 2 or 3 minutes. I think the fuel pump's going. Maybe I'll build this one. I don't know. Oh, yeah, this one's a little bit rusty. Yeah, a little bit rusty. Which one do I want to build? I don't know. Green one, gold one, old body, or gold one, new body? Which one should I build, guys? And the winner is... Which one should it be? Which one? New body or old body? New body? Old body. So here's the plan for this Toyota Camry. I plan on running really small tires on the back of this. If you guys are curious what tires I'm talking about my 8-inch specials. And this is not the right bolt pattern, but these are my 8-inch specials that I got here. So they're an 8-inch rim. Now the rules for this demolition derby I'm going to is that all tires must be DOT approved, and these are DOT approved tires. So those will be going on the back of this car. So I'm going to try to kick that suspension as high as I can and then put really small tires on it. For the trunk, my plan is to crease the back of the car. Not overly dramatic, just maybe 1 or 2 down here. And then maybe pound the bottom in as tight as I can get it, and then maybe 1 around the gas door. I want to belly it out a bit. I'd like to put my threaded rod in it, back window bar. The rules for the back window bar is it can go from the top of the back window to cannot touch your trunk, so it can go no farther than your speaker deck. So we'll be coming up with something for that. We're going to be putting my full bolt-in cage into this car, so that's pretty much going to be the cage aspect of it. Now for the front, I'd like a little bit extra height, and the rules where this company is going to let me run it, it's going to allow 4x4 square tubing bumper, so you guys know this thing's going to be getting a big aggressive bumper on the front of it. And for any of you guys asking, I think I'm going to order myself a new hood header. So this thing will be getting a new hood header, and I know you guys love those hood headers. I'm not overly a big fan of them, but I'm not the one that enjoys these cars. You guys are. I enjoy them, but not nearly as much as you guys, I think. So, what should we start with? I'd really like to get everything out of the interior of this, and then start going from there. So I'd like to take the dash out, and maybe all the glass, maybe leave the windshield. Yeah, maybe just the back glass. Dash out, back glass out. Let's get going. Dash out. Don't you guys be worrying. We'll get all that wiring cleaned up inside there. As of right now, car still runs. Let me just put it in park. Fire's right up. So, got the back windows out. We got the back windows out. We got everything taken out and the supports put back in. Next step's the back window. So, this is definitely one of my funnest times doing demolition derby cars, is smashing windows out. You ready? Oh, that just feels good. After a long day at work, there's nothing like coming home and smashing windows out. Oh no! I got glass on my ground. Glass on the ground. Well, let's get all this glass cut out and then vacuumed up. So I took all the windows out of this thing, and I was going to put the cage in it, but then I realized half the cage is in a different car. So that's as far as I got. I drove it into the shop, and I just basically parked it, so... Thanks everybody. Sorry about the video ending shortly. My battery died on my camera. But that's what I get for only getting about an hour and 20 minutes a night to work on this car. We just backed it inside the shop now because it started raining out. But, oh well. She's getting ready for the chopping block, boys and girls. I don't know where this Camry's going as of yet, but the dash is out, completely out, and the whole back of the car is stripped, so it's getting there. A little bit of glass left. Oh, they'll fail me for tech for that, I know that. I'm just joking. But we're definitely moving along on this car quite quickly. I'm pretty happy with it. A little bit more rusty than what I wanted, but it's Canada. I'm going to have to deal with that crap forever. Rusty cars. Take care, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow.